Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we will learn how to navigate iGlobe CRM. When you open iGlobe CRM, you will see multiple colorful blocks. In the Dashboard section, which shows two company dashboards, you can swipe to move across dashboards. On the right side, we can see the navigation pane. By clicking on the magnifying glass icon, you can do a global search across iGlobe CRM to find any information you may need, but we have a separate video for searching options. From this pane, you can also go to your dashboard, company list, contact list, pipeline, statistic reports, as well as marketing and content activities. Depending on where you are going to see a context-related ribbon in the top part. This ribbon shows you what activities can be done from the window that you have currently opened. In case you want to see the functionalities, simply point your cursor on the icon. Notice, in case you can't see any information, don't forget that you can scroll down as this shows more data. If you go to Company, you will get a list of all companies in iGlobe CRM. By clicking on a company's logo, you can get quick information about key company details. If you open the company profile, you can see more information like contacts and recent activities. You can also quickly find information about mails, meetings, notes, pipeline, and documents in the panel at the bottom. If you click on Contact, you will get a list of all contacts saved in iGlobe CRM. By clicking on a contact's profile picture, you can find links to phone number, email address, Skype. If you want to see the full contact profile, you have to click on the name. You can also go directly from a contact to a company profile by clicking on the company name. This can be done for contacts working within that company. When you are looking at company or contact lists, you can easily change the view between a list view, thumb view, or favorites view. In the Home menu, you are also going to see your statistics, pipeline, content, and marketing tabs. Click on the gray Statistics block and you will see your information from Power BI. The pipeline, content, and marketing tabs in your Home menu will be explained in separate videos in our user guide playlist. If you go to Call List in the navigation pane, you get a list of contacts you have marked to follow up on. You can choose how many entries you want to see, as well as search through the list. You can easily add or edit entries by using the functions in the top bar. When using iGlobe CRM and moving across windows, you can always go back by clicking on the orange arrow. Make sure to select a company or contact before moving across windows. We also recommend to never use the back arrow in your browser, as it is not fully functional. Simply use the navigation panel on the right side. Lastly, when you are working in any section, you will see a ribbon in the top part with programs that you are familiar with. When you click on, for example, Outlook, it will redirect you to your Outlook. The same functionality works for other programs shown in your ribbon. If you have many of them, you will also see the 3 dots with other programs you can use. Lastly, you can see who is logged in the top right corner. By clicking on the name, you can go to your settings or log out. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!